Hello everyone, welcome back to Sandy Says, and today I'm going to show you how to make NISSIN Ramen Noodle. So you are going to grab a pot, fill it up about halfway, that's about 2 cups of water, and then put it on the stove and bring that to a boil. While that's coming to a boil, you're going to open your ramen noodle packet, set aside that little foil packet that is the seasoning. Once it's boiled, you're going to take that brick of noodles and then set that in the pot and place the lid back on it. Once the noodles are the consistency you want, you're going to scoop them into a bowl. I prefer to do this with a splatted spoon. So you'll take that spoon and scoop the noodles into your bowl, leaving all of your water in your pot. Once you have the noodles into the bowl, you want to just pour a little bit of that water, maybe, I don't cover the noodles all the way, just about halfway up. And then I go over and I pick up my seasoning packet and I shake it to get it all to settle in the bottom. Tear that open, and then I do about 3/4 of the packet on top of the noodles. That way it's not so salty. Then I just stir it up with a spoon and enjoy my ramen noodles. Hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!